Man, managing communication on a worship and tech team can just be a pain. Let's face it. I mean, we're dealing with emails. Some are using text messages. I've been there before. Maybe you're using chat apps like WhatsApp or Facebook groups. It's just all over the place, and we're done with it. And we really wanted to change this at MxU, which is why we built messaging inside MxU. It's available on iOS, Android, macOS app, and the web. One experience across many different platforms. Today in this video, I want to show you how it works. I want to show you all the exciting features that we've packed into messaging to make it purpose-built and useful in everyday worship and tech team leadership. Okay, so on my screen here, let's walk through this. In messaging, it's pretty obvious. Nowadays, we expect direct messages. We have those in MxU for just your back and forth communication with a certain individual on your team. We've got group chats that are private. This could be for upcoming serve teams, or maybe a group chat of you and your staff mates, or positional group chats. We'll get into some use cases there. And then channels. Channels can be joinable to everybody on your team. They could be used for team announcements and so on and so forth. So in MxU, you'll see here, I'm on the macOS app. Everything that you would expect out of a chat app is going to be available in MxU. Of course, you can upload GIFs, files, images. You can do scheduled sends, do channel or message reactions, reply in a thread. It's all there. It really is beautiful and delightful to use. You know, we all have high expectation for messaging nowadays as we're texting on our phones, even Apple iMessage, for example. And so we've really set that high bar standard for MxU as well. And you could expect that level of ease in using messaging in MxU. So you can see pinned DMs up here. Let's talk about what it would look like to create a group chat with your weekend worship team. Let's just call this weekend worship team in MxU, and you can do so with our Planning Center integration, make it really easy to get that group chat in MxU. Instead of pulling out your phone, trying to figure out who's scheduled for this coming weekend. Oh, whose number do you not have? Oh, let's just send an email and wonder if they ever got it anyways. No, that problem is solved. We can now do that in MxU automatically. So we'll come here, we'll create a group chat. And you can see here, you could add groups or individuals, but over here you can see create from service plan, right? So this is gonna load in your Planning Center services. We'll just look at May 19th, okay? And you can choose to bring all scheduled people into this group chat or specific teams in position. So like I said, I'm just gonna create a group chat with my worship team. Pretty easy, we're gonna create that chat. And here it is. Everybody who is serving on that weekend, you can see they're already brought into this group chat. As people accept and decline, this group chat's gonna get updated from Planning Center. And so it's real time, and you can always count on this being a reliable place to communicate with this coming weekend worship team. Now let's talk about how you could put together like an announcements channel in MxU. We actually give you a bunch of recommended channels. You can come here and create a channel for your acoustic guitar players, your piano players, and you could, of course, customize those to your liking, but here there is an announcements channel. We can create this channel. This is gonna add everybody on your team. And then as well, it gives you the ability to control like who can actually post in this. So right now, only admins can post. It's really just an announcements channel for admins to be able to communicate team-wide. You can also make it joinable so that as people down the road join your team, they can find this as a public channel they can be a part of. And of course, you could manage individual assignments with particular groups or people. So you could imagine this being really helpful when you want to get all your drummers in one chat together. You know, drummers don't serve together typically, right? You usually have one drummer on the weekend. And so having a place where they can all communicate with each other during the week, a great place for those types of communication inside MxU. Another unique feature in MxU messaging is auditing as an admin. You know, many chat apps we use nowadays are completely private. You can't see DMs, you can't see group chats that you're not a part of as an admin. We've actually made that a little different in MxU for all the obvious use cases of ministry, of accountability, minors serving in the ministry, so on and so forth. And so in MxU, if you want to be able to check in on a volunteer or a teammate as an admin, it's super easy. You can come over to your members page and I can actually, let's look at Eric here. Eric, alongside the rest of his training and watch history and such, I can see his messages that he's a part of, the group chats, DMs, just a great way to check in on our team as we're using messaging inside MxU. So that's really all there is to it. Man, if you want to end the fragmented communication in worship and tech ministry, wondering if folks are reading those emails or if you're bothering them with that late night text message, you can solve that with messaging inside MxU. I'd encourage you to check it out. If you want to learn more, if you want to see how it could look in your specific context, I'd encourage you to book a demo call. You can do so by using the link in the description below of this video. We'd love to connect with you and give you a more personalized view into messaging inside MxU and the rest of MxU and all it has to offer you and your ministry. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. We'll see you next time.